Ready in Zimbabwe. My name is Patience Sithole, and I lead a group of women called Women Thou Art Loosed. And one of our main mandates is to remind women out there that your story still holds hope. You are not too broken. You're not too damaged. What life tried to take away from you, you can still recover it in God. God has a plan so big that it will blow your mind. And I want you to remind yourself that there are women out there with stories to tell. Where we interact, there's a seat for you. There's a story that will reignite your hope. And there's something that God has in store in one of the speakers for you. Now it's on the 17th of January, 2026. Follow the link, save your seat, and let us be together in God's presence. There is so much more for you in God's presence. God bless you.